Okay, here it is, 2019 Ford F-150. Has the 5.0 in it, Coyote motor. So, I just replaced my air filter. Thought I'd show you guys how I went about it. Truck's got a 2-inch leveling kit and airbags. Stand back, let you take a look. I'm gonna order some tires and wheels. I'll post another video of those. Anyways, I just went on Amazon. Here's the stock filter right here. Nothing exciting. Dirty. Put in this air filter, high performance, whatever. Basically, it was 50 bucks on Amazon. So, we'll unlock the truck here. The truck has, fire it up. Okay, so that's, I'm gonna see what it gets for fuel economy with this new air intake. So right now we're sitting at 14. Idling don't help. So that's what I was getting, about 13.9 to 14. That's the pop to hood. Go in the front. I'm just gonna do this with one hand. So here we go. I've already done it. Just some tabs there, they just slide in. There's two here. Donk. Pull that out like so. And that just lifts out. So I'll show you. So there's the air filter there. I'll give it a try. So put that back in. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Slides in there. So you just gotta tip it up a little bit. Make sure those little tabs are sticking through, press it down, and you're done. I'm going to put on a MagnaFlow exhaust as well. Take a look at that. Here's our stock exhaust system.